Today I have installed the game. As you can see, the language is not in English. To fix this problem, exit the game by pressing the escape key and right click on the game and select open file location. Find Steam EMU. Just right click and select edit in Notepad. Scroll down. Enter offline. You just need to press enter and check my video description for this text used. Copy the text and under offline paste this and select file and select save option. Once you done this, close stuff here and go to C drive, users, and now open a username folder. Open saved games. Open this Metro, random number. Right click on the user CFG and select edit in Notepad. Select the edit option and select find next. Type LAN and then select search. You can able to see language, sound, and text. Change this both to US. Once done, select file and select save option. Now go back to C drive, users, public documents, Steam, text. Open this 412020. Open remote, right click on user and select edit in Notepad. Select file, select edit and select find option. Type LAN and select search. Same way, change UK to US and then select file and select save option. Close stuff here and launch the game. And as you can see, the language has changed to English. And now you can enjoy the game. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.